Hi everyone, welcome back to Guidezen. Today's video is about a super useful productive app, Material Capsule. This is an application. Now guys, listen, this app is all about simplicity, speed and smart organization. Let's talk about its features. First, the clean UI, material designed UI, smooth animations and easy navigation make it a pleasure to use. Second, it offers smart organization tools. You can store notes, links, files and documents and the app automatically categorized them. Now the third feature, cloud sync spots help you access your saved data anytime on any device. Wait a moment, I just open Google Play Store. You can download this application, Material Capsule Dynamic UI on Google Play Store. Now guys, listen, its fourth feature, you also get tags, reminders and quick search features to find your stuff instantly. And the last one, the best part is that it's lightweighted, fast and ad free. If you are looking for an all-in-one app to manage your daily tasks, notes and files, then Material Capsule is definitely worth trying in 2025. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more app reviews here on Guidezen. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye. Best of luck.